Okay, we're off again. Just mixed up another pot of glue. This is Chryso. I'm tiling this wall at the moment, so I'll pop up these and then I can mark my tap. See what I've done here. I've got a bit of cardboard there just to, I don't want my tile to stab my waterproof, to dig into my waterproof, or if I need to adjust it, I don't want the wedge to cut my waterproof without knowing, so then you just put a bit of cardboard there. I did have a bit of metal strapping, but I thought, nah, that might just have a sharp edge. Cardboard's to go, because these are pretty heavy. And pretty cool. I don't quite know what colour grout yet. It'll probably be a light brown sort of coffee colour. A coffee colour. Anyway. I'm using a 12mm notchy. It's a new one. Oh, a week old. It's not worn down. It's a true 12mm. I don't have trowels that long, they wear down. That's it. What I need to do though is put in some clips before I go too much further. Otherwise I won't get them in. So we'll just shift that along a little. Put in some clippies. Bit of glue on them. Then they stay, but I'm not able to slide them in from the top because there's not enough room. And what you do with these biggies is you put the bottom in first. Nice. When the lady of the house comes to see this morning, because she works night shift at a hospital, which is a grueling job, I tell you. Well, I've been in hospital a couple of times and the nurses do well. I tell you. But she'll be here sometime this morning after a snooze, and when she sees this, oh. Beautiful. I love it. I'm putting my top shelf like that. I don't need to be under the tile, under this tile. Anyone that says that it's better for waterproofing are talking shit. It doesn't matter whether your tile, it goes into there or is underneath. It doesn't matter.
Sometimes you might just miss something.
You always got to be careful when you're laying this sort of tile because of the weight of it and the size of it. You don't want to bump anything because you chip corners doing that. I'm out of the shower area, so I don't have to worry about my lines going vertical. Bottom in first. Uh-oh, haven't put my clips in. Move it along. Got glue on my hands, so I'll have to give them a wipe. That's what you got shorts for. Bottom in first. Nice. a hammer. Just move that along a little tittle. Nice. Alright people, I'll mark that one. I'll come back to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.